Hand him over. Hand him over to Tom.
Yeah.
No, I'm right. I'll take the
You
dog.
have one.
No, that's all right. No, I'm
Break them in half.
Well, I've given all the men one. Dean.
Sue and I will share, and then Catherine and
Oh, yeah.
Thomas can share.
Did she get the joker?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, hold on.
We're all getting sandwiches.